Today I'm doing part one of actually two parts. I'm going to show you how to make a roast. It's going to take about 3 minutes to watch the video, and it took about 7 hours for me to make. So, the wonders of the internet. Part two is going to be Irish pasties, and they are the traditional Irish pasties. So, come back for part two. I'm also going to be comparing a store-bought pie crust mix with a very traditional flaky pie crust. So that's going to be on part two. And yes, I'm going to be wearing the same shirt because I'm shooting this part of the video on the same day.
The meat that I'm using is a boneless chuck roast. Putting celery underneath the roast before cooking it keeps the roast directly off of the bottom of the pan and allows some of the celery flavor to get into the meat. 2 cups of beef stock. Potatoes. Chop the vegetables large so that they won't disintegrate over the next 6 hours cooking in the oven with the roast. Parsley flake. The meat was seared on both sides in onion and garlic with salt and pepper liberally on both sides as I flipped them. And potatoes, carrot, bay leaves, and parsley. This is going in a 375-degree oven covered for about half an hour. At that point, I will keep it covered, but turn the heat down to 300, and this is going to sit for about 6 hours in the oven. This roast has to be slow cooked in order for it to become tender. More freshly ground pepper. I separated the vegetables, carrots and potatoes,